Let's see how to solve the nice problem. We know A is a solution of the given equation. So we get A cubed minus A squared plus 1 equals 0. Move the second two terms to the right side. So we get A cubed equals A squared minus 1. Similarly, B cubed equals B squared minus 1. C cubed equals C squared minus 1. We denote as condition 1. Now, A, B, C are the three solutions of the given equation. That means the left side of the equation x cubed minus x squared plus 1 can be factored as x minus a times x minus b times x minus c. Let's expand it. So expand these two factors first. So get x minus a times x squared negative bx and then negative cx and then plus bc. X times each term of the second factor, so get x cubed minus bx squared minus cx squared plus bcx and then negative a times each term of the second factor. So get minus ax squared plus abx plus cax minus abc. Correct line term, so we get x cubed. And then for x squared term, so we get negative ax squared, negative bx squared, negative cx squared. So we get minus a plus b plus c x squared for x term. So we get ab, so ab x bcx and then cax, right? So finally minus abc. Compare this polynomial and this polynomial. Look at the coefficients of x squared. So we get a plus b plus c. See, equals negative 1. That means this one equals 1. Look at the coefficients of x. So we get ab plus bc plus ca equals, oh, no, that term. That means the coefficient of x is 0. And ABC equals negative 1. Denote as 2. So now we can figure out the value of the target expression. So AQ plus BQ plus CQ. Use 1, so we change AQ as A squared minus 1. Similar BQ is B squared minus 1. CQ is C squared minus 1. So get A squared plus B squared plus C squared minus 3. But we don't know A squared plus B squared plus C squared. We only know this one and this one. So we write the first root term as A plus B plus C squared. You see, we actually add 3 more terms. 2AB, 2BC, 2CA. So we need to minus these terms. So 2AB plus BC plus CA and then minus 3. Now, according to condition 2, the first term is 1 squared. The second term is 2 times 0, right? Yeah, here is 0 and then minus 3. So the final answer will be 1 minus 3, negative 2. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.